Welcome to our latest house flip here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Hope you enjoy. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we have Colby here, and I have the amazing opportunity to be an investor on this property in Scottsdale. So we're gonna have Colby showing us around and why this house flip is a project that we decided to take on and what we plan to do with it. Hope you enjoy.
All right, welcome in, guys. All right, so the first thing you'll notice when you walk in is this huge entryway. Obviously this house is, you can tell it's pretty big. It's about 6,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. The first thing you'll see on the right when you walk in is this kind of formal living area. Originally, they had a couple couches in here and some artwork up top over the fireplace. Let's go ahead and check out the master bedroom and bathroom. We're here in the master bedroom now. We've got a few different options, I think, for this house. Obviously, it's in really good shape. It was built in 2004. The flooring is carpet in all the bedrooms and upstairs, and then the travertine tile throughout the main house, which is honestly in really good shape. The carpet, we're either considering putting hardwood flooring in, replacing the carpet, or leaving this as is, because this is a very expensive carpet and it is in fairly good shape. Now, another option in here, the master bathroom, is gut everything and contemporize it, just make it a brand new, pimped out master bathroom, or leave it as is and stage it really nicely, make it look good for buyers that are coming into to buy a $1.7 million house, which honestly in this area, it kind of, the buyers are horse kind of people. It's a big lot, so they like the natural woods and the natural stone. So on the right-hand side, we have the movie theater room, has a projector, big screen. So we plan on doing really nothing. I mean, it's already in really good shape. They just repainted the entire house before we purchased it, and I don't think you need hardwood floors in this room. So to conserve some capital, I think we just stage it and call it a day. So now, obviously, living room and kitchen. Kind of the plan in here, like I said, the house is painted, so I kind of want to conserve as much capital as possible and appeal to the buyers that are going to be buying this type of home. I do think a nice white and gray type kitchen could do really well, but I also don't mind these cabinets, and they're in very good shape. So I think two options are leave the house, leave it as is, stage it just like the master bathroom, and there's a few issues like dents in the sub-zero fridge, and then there's a warming drawer here that isn't in place, but I install that, fix the dents, and stage it, or I think leave these outer cabinets, paint them white, and then redo the entire island with like a waterfall countertops, and just make it a really cool kitchen with a new backsplash and also new appliances if we did that as well. All right, so here in the dining room now, what's great is they left some furniture, so we won't need to stage this room, and it's just a big open space, not really gonna do much in here. Same with the laundry room. I'm just gonna keep saying this, I guess. It was built in 2004, paint's new, and it's all in good shape. So it's kind of, let's figure out how to value engineer this property to put as little money as possible to get the best ROI. All right, so walking into the 3-car garage, which is oversized. I mean, this is a really, really long garage. Has a powder bathroom, a half bath here. Super cool. We're not gonna do anything in here. So now we've got these 2 rooms that are actually pretty cool. The previous owner used this house. They were dog breeders, so you can kind of smell it right now. And they kept a lot of the dogs in this room. Now this room is more of a gym, which is awesome. All air conditioned. So the square footage of the main house is about 5,800 square feet, and then these 2 rooms are about 600. Another thought I had with this house would be to use it as an Airbnb. Like, I mean, this would be a really cool like flex room, pool table. I mean, there's a ton of rooms in the house too. So it's just a thought, but obviously we're here to make some quick cash and get out. Now on our way upstairs, I want to point out these railings and the carpet going up the stairs. So kind of my thought is same thing, either leave it as is, call it a day, or paint all of the wood here white and then do like a cool French oak wood flooring, similar to what we would do in the master, and just do it all the way up to the upstairs. Now, pretty much every room in this house is en suite and like another master. This is a huge room with insane views. So coming into the guest bedroom restroom, which is its own private restroom, very similar style to everything else. Got the older cabinets. You've got the travertine everywhere, which is very expensive to do. So another thought is, let's not do anything and let's just leave it as is, stage it nicely, and call it a day. Now, same thing with this room. This one's a little smaller and a smaller walk-in closet, but it got the same size bathroom pretty much, and all in great shape. Not really gonna do much in here. So both these two rooms come to this balcony. On the other side, the two rooms go to another balcony, but this one looks straight at a house that just sold for $5.8 million. It's on 5 acres. It's 11,000 square feet and directly adjacent to this house. So that's why, I mean, we got this at a smoking deal. We're super excited about it. And the views are just phenomenal with an awesome lot. Now, this could technically be a bedroom if you added a closet, but for now, it's more of like a flex space upstairs. They've got a little bar area and a half bathroom, and this is also has its own balcony. Not gonna do much in here either. Probably just put a wine fridge in and call it a day. I mean, this house is in phenomenal shape. And the third and final bedroom, which that flex room was not included, is this room here. It's a little smaller bathroom, but same travertine tile, same all their cabinets, and in really good shape. So not really gonna do much in here. If we do end up doing the hardwood, we would do it through the entire upstairs.
All right, team, so the plan with this Scottsdale house flip is pretty simple. If you guys have ever taken on a project when it comes down to like buying a car and then being able to resell it, but you didn't really do much to it, all you did was really clean it up and maybe update certain things to make sure that you can get top dollar, that's essentially what we're going to be doing with this house. So you might have seen already some different pieces of this house, and as you can tell, the flooring is great, the carpet is of course acceptable, everything when it comes down to the paint interior, exterior, all we're really going to do is there's certain things throughout the house that might be missing, that might need to be touched up, and that's essentially the approach that we plan to take originally with this house, to try to see if we can stage it, to present it, you know, and try to get that top dollar, to give people more of a realistic feel instead of this very big and empty house that might be missing different things. I think that we can gain a lot more traction by being able to properly stage the house, and then again being able to fix a couple of the door handles or a couple of the items that are missing, to try to get that top dollar. So we're excited to take on this project. Again, there's really no price other than the one that's posted for $1.9 million, that's even smaller than this one, so we intend to ask for a little bit less and see where we go from there. So let us know in the comment section what you guys think, and of course, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.